Qilgan maqomi. Mana suvlar ekan, bular ekan.
That you wanted to pronounce. And then you are like smart or something.
We're going to Ganshuri. Biza ochishga ketamiz hozir. Borib sizlarga videolarni ko'rsatib.
Vamos.
Har xil. Mana ochishga keldik.
I should probably take full lessons from Jack and my son.
Pistoletlarni ko'rsanglar bo'ladi. So we got to avtomatdan oldik, kichkinasidan oldik.
I don't know.
Hozir kiyarkanmiz.
We don't pay for the rental guns. We don't pay for those. But yeah, ammo is the only thing we pay for.
So chiqib oldik. Mana charchadik, lekin zo'r bo'ldi. Ochi zo'r videolarni qo'yaman. Videolarni qo'yib ko'rsataman, lekin yaxshi video tushdi. Bu yerda marujnisi zo'r, mush shaxmat tashdi. Shuning uchun keldik. Qani ko'ramiz, mazasi qanaqa ekan. Biz molga keldik, chunki kecha o'tgan safar kunga olgan pentim katta chiqdi, uzunligi. Buni shorti ham, kichkinasi ham bor ekan. O'shaning uchun hozir o'shanga almashtirish uchun keldik. Sizlarga ham Bellevue Mall'ni ko'rsataman. Bu prям boylarning molli. Mana bu Messi amerikancha brend. Ichida hamma brendlar bor. Bular boshqa anaqalar. Magazinlar. Koreyskiy magazin, то есть как раз internetda ko'rganimda kelib ko'rmoqchi edim. O'zi xudo meni olib keldi bu yoqqa. Mana ko'ramiz. Juda ham chiroyli. So I'm trying to figure out. Okay, hold on. Let me go to your files. So you divided your revenue into membership fees and warehouse clubs, right?
Yes.
Is that what? Okay. And we got this. Okay, your membership fees revenue, right? And that's how you came up with the total revenue. You did not use any like average selling price number, no unit price number. Is it okay if I'll share my screen? Because it's gonna be easier.
Okay.
Yeah, for you to understand what am I talking about. Hammaga salom. Ochishdan keyin uyga kelib, bugun sertifikatlarimni olyapman. Bunaqa sertifikat berishibdi. Volontyorlik o'qiganim oldingi videolarimda bor. Mana rahmat, boshqa sertifikatlar, bunaqa tabriklar, plus bunaqa t-shirt berishibdi menga. United Way Expert degan.
But I sent already everything to Sadie. Thank you for everyone. So Naha connected me with this conference. So yeah, I'm working on the first article and the second interview. I will see how.
This looks lovely.
This
is stunning. I know. Hammaga salom. Men gapiraman deb o'yladim. Gapirmayotgan ekanman shu paytgacha. Hozir ishxonadaman. Sizga hozir bunaqa narsa berishdi. Bitiruvchi bo'lsanglar, sizlarga qizil yoki o'zingizlarning o'qishingizga mos narsa berishadi. Menga bu narsani berishdi, chunki tipo student worker, student bo'lib ishlayotganingiz uchun yana qo'shimchani qancha bunaqa narsalar ko'p bo'lsa, shuncha ko'p ish qilgan bo'lasizlar o'qishda. Hozir yana ishlaymiz. Bu Mariya. O'zbekcha adresga olgan. Вот. Hozir endi ishlaymiz. Ishlar уже ko'p qolmadi. Bitirishimizga ozgina qoldik, hafta. Aytgan sizlarga yangi handbook ko'rsataman, dizayn. Mana otam. Azozobedlar dizayn qilgan, Naho yozgan workbook. Dizayn qildik. tipa qanaqa eventlarni handle qilsa bo'ladi, shu turasida shunaqa dizayn qilib topshirdik. Judayam chiroyli chiqdi, hammaga rosa yoqdi. Hozir endi ishlaymiz. Endi ishlaymiz. Yaqinroq ko'rsatganda voy nega bu shunaqa hamburg qildik.
But is this he? I'll be there at 12:40. I
Should we go to 20? Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Take a photograph of you for this wall. Oh yeah, sure. Awesome.
Hozir ishchilar ovqatlanishga ketyapmiz. Bizga xayrlashish tipi anaqasi xayrlashayotganimiz uchun mana biz ketyapmiz. Hozir ovqatlanishga ishchilar. Xo'p, Amerikada asosan mana shunaqa bitirsanglar, nimadir ish qilsanglar, har doim xo'jayininglar ovqatlanishga chaqiradi, har doim. Plus narsalar o'rgatishadi, xatlar berishadi. Men bunaqa sizlarga ko'rsataman, rahmat, muomilashayotganing uchun. Men bunaqa narsalar juda ham yaxshi ko'rishadi aytgancha. Yana nimalar aytib bersam bo'ladi. Hozir mana ovqatlanish joyimizni ko'rsataman, gaplashib o'tiramiz.
I was like, oh, what am I doing for lunch? And then I saw the back bar. And I was like, that's what I'm doing for lunch.
Yeah.
Kutyapmiz ovqatlanishga.
The middle of elementary.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
So you have one Philippine.
Bizda nimadir bo'lyapti. Hozir ko'rsaman. Nima ekan bu? Qadrlab qo'yaptim bular. Uzoqroq ko'rsatishga harakat qilardim, afsuski darsga borishim kerak. O'shaning uchun mayli o'tib ketaman. Hammaga salom. Bugun zaldan mana o'rtog'im bilan kelyapmiz. Yeah. And we have all my... Is it all empty? All of them? Hold this for me too.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Just hold them.
Why are you wearing this?
I don't want to go. Thank you. Look at my cheap friend.
You're cheap that you're not even giving me a piece of it.
You already have two.
I don't want this though.
You said you would. You literally said get one for me.
I said half it.
Dude, this one is more tasty, you know? And it has more protein.
So that's why you need to be a real.
You're already having that.
I wanted to try the
If you got bingo, then you got one Kit Kat.
Oh.
And you got to share it with 3 more people. So you get to share it with 3 people. And then 4 of them.
Sizlarga ovqatlab berishdimi? Pizza to'g'rilanibdi.
Only from the first bingo.
Hozir endi o'yin o'ynayotganmiz, чтобы bir-birimizni tanishib olish uchun. Men KitKat yutib oldim.
Attention everyone, we got a winner. And you got the grand prize of 1 gift card.
Thank you. Yeah. I will. Okay, let me open it up. I wanted Kit Kat and I need to share with the friends now. There you go.
Oh, I was just joking. No, I'm so full.
Videos on how to do the rest of the things and pick at it, and then we'll see what happens. But
Okay.
I
Take
just
your
wanted
time. Do not
to
rush.
start.
Yay. Okay. Prezentatsiya bo'ldi. Bu dars emas, bu club. Hammaga salom. Shoppingim ko'pchilik interesneyligini oldingi videolardan ko'rib, yana hozir nimalar olganimni ko'rsatmoqchiman. Birinchi bo'lib burato oldim. Unaqa sirniy, siravarniyda sotadigan. Qulupney, salmon anaqasidan, kopchonniy nom bilan yeyishga salat, pomidor, qiyma, keyin bunaqa snack, sirniy, cheese bites ekan. Nondan ikkita oldim, chunki tez yeb qo'yamiz. Yaxshi nonligidan gulkarom. Tuxum bilan yeyishga oldim. Tuna. Bak ko'p endi studentlar bilasizlar, ovqat qilishga erinadi. Lutchi tunani shunaqa qo'rib, non bilan, guruch bilan yursa bo'ladi. Guruch, kefir, un, kartoshka и shaftoli oldim. И вот помидор, то есть bodring, sada bodringda и nima edi bu? Piyoz, ko'k piyoz oldim.